Here we are at the edge bending station where we want to use our tool for sorting. So our key goal right here is taking all the parts coming out from the edge bending and be able to sort them by product in a bin. The key that we want to use today is using mobile cart as the type of sorting we want to do inside our project. So what's nice about our system now is that we can utilize doing sorting through mobile carts. So when I grab any part that comes out from the edge bending, I'm able to scan it. Automatically, the system's going to verify if that part is assigned to a rack and a bin. If not, it's going to ask me to pre-select a rack that I want to assign to that work order I am using right now. So what we did in production assistant is that we have created an intelligence to have unique ID for every part that you're going to use inside your shop. So once you scan your first part of your project, you're able to go in and say, I'm assigning that part right here to that work order I'm using right there. So the system's going to apply the work order to that project, and plus it's going to show me where every product is going to go in every bin, as I can see in advance how much product I need to sort for that work order. So the system is showing me to place that part in C4, just go in and scan it. So anytime I can take another part, scan it, automatically it's going to switch and let me know, again, in what bin I need to place the part. As you can realize, the way the sorting works, it is working with color-coded. So we have in blue everything that's in progress or needs to be sorted to complete a product. So I can see the number of the parts that needs to be sorted on the total amount of parts that is inside of my product I want to sort. In red, showing me where to place my part. And when everything is completed, well, it's going to turn green to let me know that everything's inside of my product that I'm sorting right here. Another key thing with the system is that we can know in advance if there's a damaged part inside of a product. So if anywhere inside the shop somebody places down a damaged part, we will see the bin show up in orange. So we know that something is missing. So we know that this work order right here inside of that rack is not completed to go to the assembly. We're missing something. The key that we want to do is to have everything green inside of my mobile cart, knowing we have everything ready to go to the next station. That would be the assembly station. So if you're missing an item, you know where to push through to make sure that you have everything in your hand to have a complete product inside of your rack. And a complete work order to go to the assembly station. So what I'm doing actually, I'm just sorting parts to go through to show you a complete product right here that's inside of my cart. So once I have all my product inside my cart, I have it to be shown in green. The key that we want to do, have everything green to push down that cart to go to the assembly station.